प्रीति हाई खै यिनीहरू ओइ से हाई जित्यो यार बेइज्जत भयो बाटो भात लडेको पनि भिडियो लडेको भरि बाटो त यही हो नि ओ माई गॉड यो बाटो हल्दैछ भन्छ होइन भन्थ्यो यार बाटो कता हो त बाटो कता हो होइन माथि गएको छैन यता हो कि यता हो हामीले बाटो नै बिर्स्यो रमिता हाम्रो चलिरहन्छ प्रस्तुतिका चाहिँ भनिदिनुहोस् केही के भन्नु म अगाडि आएर यिनीहरू बस्न चाहिँ आएको भन्छ म सिधै आएको भनिदेऊ बाटो देखेको रहेछ नि हामी यो बाटो चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो छ मेरो स्कुटर नतानेर तिनीहरू सब अघि गइसके हामी यहाँ बाटो चेन्ज गरिसक्यो हामी होइन अब हाई होइन राई फाइनली हामी आइपुग्यो अब चाहिँ 100% स्योर बाटो आइपुग्यो फाइनली हाम्रो हाइक सुरु हुन्छ अब थोरैको पर्खाइपछि हामी हाम्रो गन्तव्य अब हामी हाम्रो गन्तव्यमा हामी हाम्रो गन्तव्यमा पुग्छौँ अब तिनीहरू स्कुटर यस्तो टाढो पुगेको थियो म यहाँ कति लाग्यो कति भइसक्यो आयो वेलकम टु सिङ्गापुर हामी कहाँ छ भिडियो We're at Shivapuri Nagarjuna National Park. No parking lot ma. Yes. Hello. Hello. Hiking starts. Hiking starts now. Yay! 3 जोडी बाटो गर्नु. She is one of the Choots gang. Introduce yourself. Yay, Sanchita. Okay, and that is water flowing down. Okay, guys, wait. We have to introduce individually. Now introduce yourself.
Namaste guys, I'm
Introduce.
Hi, Neha.
Oh, wait guys, wait. You okay? Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Prasudha Karimar.
Okay, she is. Oh, we two are babies, and she's the third wheeler. and the girl in front, she is Preeti. Okay, say it.
अब हामी सबैजना स्कुटरमा आयौँ होइन पानीद्वारसम्म
कम्पिटिसन गर्दै 3 चोटि बाटो बिर्स्यो
फाइनली अब हामी जाँदैछौँ विष्णुद्वार सो विल सी यु देयर बाइ गाइस
या सो
tired guys
वी आर सो टायर्ड हामीहरू हिँडेको 10 मिनेट भयो होला
after so long we are walking so
वेट
exhausted
वेट सो हामीहरू हिँडेको 10 मिनेट भयो
हजुर अहिले अगाडि जान्छ पछाडि फर्किन्छ
ऊ अगाडि जाने रे सो देयर दि एकदमै स्लो मोसन वाला मान्छेहरू प्लेइङ शट डु
हजुर एकछिन
and she wants
फोटो सेसन
a picture and we two are the sojoest person in the gang. We're so innocent के भन्ने हाम्रो innocence को कुरै के गर्ने
हामी खिचेको छैन
छैन हामीले एउटै फोटो खिचेको छैन
See, we are so simple and innocent.
Down to earth.
खिच्दै बसिरहेछौँ हाम्रो फोटो
oh nice we're so down to earth
sad.
so yeah she again wants another photo this is everywhere हरियाली
पनि देखाइदियो
हरियो वन नेपालको धन and then they are खै where are they
She's pretty.
and there's this person एकदमै पछाडी lagging behind and then we're walking again ahead
Yes.
so yeah right now we're lost and she's clicking a picture of us we're lost Adi gang त्यहाँ and we have a lot to walk very
Yes, guys.
Oi Sanchita
Yes.
आधा जना
twins
हजुर
say hi
हेलो मलाई देखिँदै देखेन
ए हो खै कहाँ छ डान्सिङ स्टार्ट ल तिमी उठाउ न ए मलाई तान्नु यार
नाकमा नि नाकमा
हेलो गाइस एउटाको ए
मिडिया आउन एकछिन
ट्रफी छ हामीले बोक्नै पाएको छैन
होइन यहाँ तल चाहिँ त्यही बेस्ट हुन्छ अगाडि गएर पछाडि गएर यहाँ फोटो एउटा भ्लग बनाएर त Hello guys, we have reached our destination.
finally so we're currently at Vishnudwar right
Yes.
and these are the photogenic people right and where are the others daring one
Yeah.
अनि ओइ त्यो तीनजना कोही
They are
ऊ त्यहाँ त्यो तीनजना बाँकीकोहरू and they are not visible right now
को तिमी र म त्यहाँ राम्रो आउँदैन उसले उताबाट हामी त्यो
This is video, you know? Yeah! I don't know these people. I just know them.
What was your name again?
Salina.
Salim.
So she wanted me to continue the vlog.
Hello
Right?
guys, अब 2 बज्यो हाम्रो
Wait,
सक्यो
wait, we might just fall off. We have to go individually. So yeah, please ignore the other voice. We'll consider her later.
How
And
was it?
it was good. We clicked a lot of pictures. Hey, wait, someone's dress is here. If it's yours, you can come here. This is Shivapuri National Park. You can get your dress.
It's so greenery. पछाडि हाम्रो साथीहरु आउँदैछ
And yup,
Say
they
hi.
are. So yeah.
Shit, हामी कति लामो बाटो गइसौँ
हामी अघि नै फर्स्टमा जाने बेला we took the long route, so I don't know where we went. But right now we're taking the short route, right? And we're descending. So guys, she is my vlogging partner, right? She was the inspiration behind this vlogging that I was only 50% interested in doing.
And
So
I'm
would you like to
50,
see
so
anything?
both equal.
I think we should go this way. So, and this is the road that we're going. Ooh, they're there. And are you satisfied with all the pictures? Say no.
No.
Yes, even I'm not. Come on, like that is our nature, right?
Yes.
Our means only ours. And right now we have our friends. They're coming. Ray, afne joke मार्दै छ. And I don't think tomorrow we'll be able to go to class, but we have
I
to.
will go see.
But
I'm
we
so
have to.
sincere.
But we have to.
Yes.
But we have to go. So we walked I walked out of my house at 7 in the morning. When was it? 8. 8 in the morning.
Yes.
And now it's 2. And now we're going back. And it's all stairs and stairs and stairs, natural stairs. And yeah, I fell down as well. I don't know why I'm saying that, but yes, I did. I was again about to
And
fall.
see
Yeah.
that
Yeah. I fell. Santina, come here, my falling partner.
I'm falling down.
She fell down as well. ऊ मभन्दा दामी तरिकाले खस्या ऊ चाहिँ. अनि yeah, it's like dangerous, so we're cutting the video right now.
Okay, bye bye guys.
We'll be back, don't worry. So right now it's all plain land. We don't have to descend, we don't have to go up the stairs. And she's sowing pine, and we're about to eat suntala, aka orange now. We need a place to sit and eat that. And who's gonna peel the suntala? She's gonna peel the suntala for me. And ignore the background voices. Please concentrate on our voice. And there's this beautiful fall over here. Okay guys, so they're about to sing a song.
Queen, being
Yes.
hashtag
Do you want to see something? Anyone?
see the road. It's so out of world, you know. From so busy life we are here, and It's so amazing. See the scene, it's so greenery all around.
어?
Single load, mingle load.